another scientific proof that they'll come at you with is that ships, as they're disappearing on the horizon, as they get further and further away, the bottom, the hull, will start to disappear before the masthead. And so what's happening is it's slowly going over the curvature of the Earth. It's going over the ball. And this is Aristotle used this. This has been a proof of the ball Earth for a long time. The ball Earth has been theorized back as far as Pythagoras 2,500 years ago, but it didn't really pick up steam until 500 years ago. But so anyway, yeah, this one is one they use a lot. But in actuality, if you use binoculars, a zoom camera, a telescope, after the ship has completely disappeared over the horizon, you can bring it completely back into view, proving that it hasn't descended over a wall of convex water, but in fact it's just gone beyond your perspective. The horizon line is not the curvature of the ball Earth as you're told. The horizon line is the vanishing line of perspective from your point of view. And that's why as you raise altitude or on a clearer day or with a zoom camera, you're able to see further and further along the horizon. It's not a fixed point as it would be on a ball, as they tell you. So again, this is another supposed scientific proof of the ball Earth, but when you do experiments yourself with a telescope, you can see that that's bunk, and in fact, you've proven the opposite.
And just, I know there's going to be a lot of people who are going to be devil's advocating, watching this. So I'll do it for them because I've asked these questions as well. So my question was, why, if it's a flat Earth, why couldn't you stand on the coast of California with a telescope and see Japan or Hawaii or something? And I think you know the answer to that. I'll let you answer that.
Yeah. You can't see an unlimited distance, regardless of whether the Earth is flat or a globe. And the lowest layer of the atmosphere is the densest and not transparent. So if you imagine like a hot, humid day, the haze over a road, all telescopes will eventually blur out in that same kind of way due to the air. So no, you can't see an infinite distance. And the reason people think this, again, is they think that when they point their telescopes up, that they're seeing starlight from trillions and trillions of miles away, because that's what they've been told by NASA. Now, in fact, you can measure with sextants and plane trigonometry how far away the sun, moon, and stars are, and they figure to be only a few thousand miles off the surface of the Earth. But they tell you that they're, like, the closest star is 25 trillion miles away, 4.2 light years away. Their science fiction term they created to make it sound more plausible. And the reason they give these ridiculously long distances to the stars is because they have to for it to fit their model. Because day after day, year after year, the fixed stars stay fixed in their constellations as they revolve over and around us. But what they say is that the Earth is spinning, and it's spinning around the sun.